Are you looking for the best lightweight folding electric scooter? In this video we will look at some of the best lightweight folding electric scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Segway 9bot E45 scooter. The next item on our list is the updated version of a classic from Segway, the 9bot E45 electric kick scooter. Since it comes from a respected brand in the industry, we knew that the 9bot E45 will not disappoint. First of all, this electric scooter only weighs a little over 35 pounds. It uses an aerospace-graded aluminium alloy to achieve this durable yet lightweight construction. It can also hold up to a maximum weight of 220 pounds, which is quite impressive. Working hand in hand with its lightweight construction is its foldability. Segway has perfected the one-push folding design for its models, and this wasn't left out with the 9bot E45. Thus, even a teenager can fold and carry this electric scooter with just one hand. The Segway 9bot E45 electric kick scooter is built with a 700-watt motor that powers up the scooter to run at speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour. It can also travel a maximum distance of 28 miles when it's fully charged, which is a pretty decent number. The battery is powerful enough to push you uphill at a slope of around 15%. That's not something a lot of lightweight electric scooters can do, so we're definitely impressed. Like most Segway electric scooters, the 9bot E45 also boasts superior technology. It has a simple LCD screen located between the handlebars where you can make adjustments with the push of a button. This keeps your eyes on the road to guarantee your safety. It also boasts Bluetooth connectivity and has its own app for firmware and similar updates. This keeps your scooter up to date to make sure that it's functioning at its best. We also love that the Segway 9bot E45 electric kick scooter has a pair of large solid tires. With this, you don't have to worry about a flat tire if you're in a hurry. At number 2, Goretrax GXL V2 scooter. If you are looking to get the best foldable commuting electric scooter for your in-town trips, this is the one that you should go for. The high-performance motor and smooth pneumatic tires make the GXL V2 a worthy candidate in the commuting category. Let's start with the tire type first, since it's one of the key factors behind the great commuting activity of the GXL V2. This model from Goretrax features the 8.5 inches pneumatic tires on both front and rear wheels. They are air-filled and have maximum shock absorption properties. The V2 also features upgraded handbrakes, a reinforced framework and a better cruise control system. You can also find an added lock mechanism that can come in handy if you are looking for some extra protection. Goretrax claims to use their most powerful motor in this product. The GXL V2 boasts a high-performance 250 watts motor that can get your scooter up to a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. That's a pretty great speed for a model like this, and certainly super useful for commuting purposes. Some might be concerned whether the weight limit is enough for heavy adults, but rest assured, the GXL V2 has a quality and sturdy framework that can easily support 220 pounds if not more. That's just 1/3 of the overall charging period that the other scooters offer. And this is made possible due to the massive 36 volts lithium-ion battery that comes with the GXL V2. However, since it's primarily designed for commuting purposes, it has a max range of 9-12 miles only. But worry not, it's easily rechargeable, so compared to the other scooters, the overall range in a day will still be higher. Overall, the upgraded features and lightweight framework within a great price range makes this model a worthy investment. At number 3, Segway 9bot Air T15 scooter. Next up on the list of best lightweight electric scooter, we have another one from the Segway, The 9-bot Air T15. We have already mentioned Segway's popularity and its reliable product quality, and this one lives up to the name of Segway as one of the most lightweight and convenient electric scooters. With a net weight of only 23.2 pounds, the 9-bot Air T15 is one of the lightest folding e-scooters on our list so far, and it gets even lighter after the 1-second folding system. The lightweight design makes this scooter convenient for easy transportation, and you can easily carry it around using one hand if you want. Despite being super lightweight, the 9-bot Air T15 has a powerful motor of 250 watts that can give a top speed of 12.4 miles per hour. It can also accommodate a load capacity of 220 pounds, which should be convenient for regular purposes. A lithium-ion battery powers the Segway 9-bot Air T15 electric scooter. At full charge capacity, it can travel up to 7.5 miles with ease. The scooter also comes with a regenerative braking system which converts the braking energy into power to support the battery. The product also comes with a recyclable kick scooter stand made of expanded polypropylene. It can be used as both a storage and charging station. The scooter itself can be stored away in both vertical and horizontal position. At number 4, Hiboy S2R Scooter. The S2R from Hiboy is a foldable commuting electric scooter that comes with some pretty incredible features. The brand assured all primary necessities and then upgraded all of it by putting a modern take on everything. The Hiboy S2R comes in an exquisite black framework and weighs only about 30.8 pounds. It can easily endure a max load of 220 pounds. The portable folding design and detachable battery arrangement make it possible to fit in compact and small storage spaces. It features a powerful motor of 350 watts. Which is a lot more than most other electric scooters out there. It's an electric brushless hub motor and it gives a max speed of 19 miles per hour. You can replace the S2R's battery mid-journey to get double the mile range if you want. A single charged battery will give you about 17 miles of services in total. So you can get double that range with an extra battery to survive any long trips without much pause. The Segway S2R has a double braking system as well. One is a normal disc braking and the other is an EABS regenerative anti-locking braking. The EABS regenerative brake supplies extra power to the battery, especially during going downhill. Other than the braking performance, the S2R also provides added safety by including ultra-bright headlights at the front and tail lights at the back. Furthermore, you can lock the scooter and put it on cruise control mode for smooth maneuverability. Hiboy has its own Hiboy S2 app designed to check out the overall performance statistics of your scooter. You can use the app to customize your speed and acceleration, brake response, locking mechanism, cruise control mode, etc. at all times. At number 5, Unagi Model 1 E500 Scooter. The Unagi Model 1 E500 electric folding scooter is perfect for you. With its colorful frame and futuristic design, there's no doubt that this electric scooter will make you the talk of the town. The Unagi Model 1 E500 is also one for the most lightweight item on this list, weighing only a little over 26 pounds. This is one electric scooter that can surely be carried around by a teenager with one hand. This makes it the perfect entry-level electric scooter for adults and teenagers. It uses a 500-watt motor that allows it to go as fast as 20 miles per hour. It can also cover a distance of 15.5 miles, which is enough for leisurely cruising around the neighborhood, running errands, or visiting friends. The Unagi Model 1 E500 electric folding scooter has a built-in suspension system that helps absorb the impact from rough terrain. Thus, all that the user gets is a smooth riding experience. To make sure that the scooter safely comes to a complete stop, the Model 1 E500 comes with dual electronic disc brake and a foot brake. These are so easy to use that kids won't have a problem with using it. And finally, it has a convenient LCD screen where you can control your speed, monitor your mileage, and check on your battery status. This is a great add-on, so you would know when it's time to go home. At number 6, Gore-Trax G4 Scooter. The G4 is part of the newly launched G-Series by Gore-Trax. It's a series dedicated to high-performance electric scooters, and so far it's doing a pretty good job. The G4 can conquer a distance of up to 25 miles in one sitting until the battery runs out. It requires a 36 volts 10.4 Ah lithium-ion battery, and it comes included with the scooter. The G4 has an upgraded motor performance as well. It features a powerful 350 watts motor that can get the scooter to a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. Even though it's a high-performance motor with high torque, it still maintains a low power consumption rate, and that is great attention to detail. The G4 has 10 inches air-filled tires to support it, and the scooter itself can support up to 220 pounds with ease. The tires are shock absorbing and can enhance the rider's experience by giving them much more smooth maneuverability. The wheel material's composed of aluminium. For better safety, it introduces a dual braking system, and you can use the handbrake to activate both of them at once. The disc brake will assist you with your normal functions, while the ABS anti-braking one recharges your battery as you go. It works better on downhill areas, and the Gore-Trax G4 has a 15-degree inclination capability. Furthermore, it upgrades the security level by including a dual safety lock system. The anti-theft locking mechanism can come in super handy at times, and you can easily control it via the digital display. All in all, the one-touch folding mechanism, dual brakes and locks, and other upgraded features make the Gore-Trax G4 stand out from the rest of the electric scooters. 06. At number 7, Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. Hiboy makes yet another appearance, but with the S2 Pro this time. If you thought S2R wasn't up to the mark for your needs, be sure to check out the S2 Pro and its exquisite features. Unlike the S2R, the S2 Pro can carry up to 260 pounds in load capacity, which is slightly higher than the previous one. In reference, it has a net weight of 36.3 pounds. With 10 inches solid tires and an aluminium frame, such a lightweight combo is pretty amazing. Again, since the tires are comparatively sturdier due to the special alloy spring steels, you need not worry about any puncture anytime soon. Even on rocky and uneven surfaces, these shock-absorbing wheels can take of themselves and give you a smooth and polished ride. The S2 Pro has a great battery performance. It comes with a 40-watt 36 volts 11.4 Ah lithium-ion battery. At full capacity, it will give you a maximum range of 25.6 miles, which is pretty impressive for a lightweight electric scooter. Again, if you need to stow it away someplace, you can easily collapse it and store it in the back of your car or closet. Do remember to recharge it though, so that you can use it the next day. The S2 Pro also comes with a powerful 350 watts electric brushless hub motor that allows the speed to go up to 19 miles per hour. There are bright LED lights in the front and the back of the scooter as well. They can give you a stable vision range up to 15 meters for better maneuverability after dark. And of course, the Hiboy brand has its personalized app for its products. After pairing off your scooter with the smartphone app, you can easily control the locking mechanism, acceleration and braking responses from anywhere. Overall, the customized design, use of premium-grade materials for the framework and energy regeneration braking system makes this scooter a great one. At number 8, Gore-Trax XR Elite Scooter. Next up we have yet another electric scooter from the Gore-Trax brand, which just goes to show how influential their products are. This time we will be talking about the XR Elite electric commuter scooter from Gore-Trax. If you have bought Gore-Trax products before, do check this one out as well to make sure that you aren't missing out. Let's talk about motor performance right from the get-go. The XR Elite has a 300 watts motor that is responsible for getting the top speed to 15.5 miles per hour. The speed is not that high compared to some of the other scooters on this list, but it's still pretty great for its price range. The XR Elite requires a 280.8 watt-hours high-capacity battery to function properly. The battery, at full capacity, can travel up to 18.6 miles under appropriate conditions. It can also be fully recharged within just 4 hours. The battery also has several safety measures in place to protect itself against damage, such as overcharging, over-discharging, short circuit, open circuit and overcurrent protection. It also resists high temperature via instant insulation. Another great feature of this model is the 6.6 inches spacious platform. The extra space can be quite useful for people who like to stand more comfortably in their scooters. It also has a 15-degree inclination capacity to move around smoothly on uneven bumps and corners. Other than these, the rest of the features are pretty standard, like the one-step folding system, dual brake, reversible energy conservation, etc. There's a digital display and LED lights with reflectors with the scooter to make journeys easier for everyone.